Hi, girls and boys. We are going to do another close read of this book. We're going to review the first part and then move on to the next part. One of the things we want to look at in this story is the setting. What's our setting song? It goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, the setting tells where the characters are. So we're going to take a look at the settings in these stories to see where Charlie and his mom go. So remember, this book is called On the Town, A Community Adventure by Judith Casely. So in this picture, we know Charlie's at school and his teacher just gave Charlie and all his classmates that's right, speckled notebook. She wants them to find out things about their community. So then Charlie goes outside and there's his mom waiting. And she sees that he has homework, so they talk a little bit about his homework. And the first thing Charlie writes is about his teacher and his school because they are a part of his community. Remember, a community is a group of people that work together and live near each other. And on this page, Charlie goes to the park. And he sees the garbage collectors and he helps them clean up some stuff. And then they go into town and Charlie finds a wallet. So they decide to take the wallet to the police officer so he can help them. All right, we're going to move on to that next page. All right. Good idea, Mama told him, and they walked to the police station where they met Joe, the police officer, and gave the wallet to him. You're a good part of my community, said Charlie. So are you, said Joe. Charlie wrote police station. Then he wrote Joe and drew a star next to his name. You need a haircut, Mama told Charlie as they left the police station. Barbershop, said Charlie. So smart, said Mama. Charlie wrote barbershop. Then George cut his hair, and Charlie wrote George and drew a pair of scissors. Very handsome, said Mama. Now I need to buy stamps. Post office, cried Charlie. My genius, said Mama. Charlie wrote post office while a lady behind the counter, whose name was Evelyn, sold Mama the kind of stamps that didn't need licking. Charlie wrote Evelyn and drew his own special stamp. All right, so we're going to take a look back here at this page. Charlie says that Joe, the police officer, is a good part of the community. Why do you think Charlie said that? Think about it for a minute and tell a grown-up in your house why you think he said that. I hope you said that a police officer is a good part of Charlie's community because he helps people and he helps keep people safe. And then what does Charlie draw in his notebook? He draws a police station and he draws Joe with a star next to his name. Why do you think he put a star next to his name? I have a feeling it's because he thinks Joe is a really good part of his community and he wants to remember him especially. What is the setting right here? What's the setting right here? Remember, the setting is where the characters are. I hope you said police station because that is the setting. They are in the police station right now. When Charlie says to Joe, you're a good part of my community, is that a fact or Charlie's opinion? Remember, opinion means what you think. If you said opinion, you're right. That's Charlie's opinion about Joe, that he is a good part of the community. Why does Joe think Charlie is a good part of the community? Because the police officer tells Charlie, you're a good part of the community too. Why do you think that? I think you're right. It's because Charlie did the right thing and was honest and brought the wallet to the police officer. Very good. Where do Charlie and Mama go after the police station? Let's take a look and see if you remembered the right place. Did you say barbershop? That is where they went. So the setting on this page is the barber shop. Yep. Why did Charlie draw a pair of scissors right here next to George's name? I bet you know. You're right. It's because George used scissors to cut Charlie's hair. All right, let's take a look and see if we can add anything to our character diagram about Charlie. So we said he's helpful, honest, he's a good writer, he's a good artist, he's a boy, and he has dark hair. Did we learn anything else about Charlie in this part? I really don't think we did, because we found out he was honest, but we had already said that. He was honest and returned the wallet. All right, boys and girls, I will see you next week with some more reading lessons.